All right, market wrap up. What happened to my sell-off? So stocks rallied late in the day, pretty sharp rally, reverse. Well, we weren't down that much. We were down like 59, 58 points. We rallied. The Dow closed up 11, S&P up 3 and change. So not a big magnitude, but pretty sharp reversal right there at the very end. So I don't know if somebody said something, if it was just, weekend short covering. I don't know. But some interesting things that I'm going to point out right now. First of all, this would be the 11th consecutive day in a row for a positive close on the Dow. And it closed up 11, all right? But more importantly, I just took a look at the numbers from the CFTC's weekly Commitment of Traders report. Came out just a little while ago. And here's how it breaks down. A very interesting situation shaping up. So the swap dealers, the Wall Street banks and brokers, they added another 50,000 net short to their position. They are now net short. And remember, when I say net, that's longs minus shorts. They are now net short 295,000 contracts, right? They were short 245,000 last week. By the way, this is as of February 21st. So it was as of Tuesday of this week. So they were net short. They added 50,000. They're net short 295,000 contracts. They were selling into this rally this week. The asset managers, that's our group. Those are our big buyers, okay? They went from 599,000 net long to 657,000 net long. So they added 58,000 new net long positions, and that was the largest single week addition of net longs in something like 6 or 7 weeks. I don't remember. I have to go back and look. But it was a big addition of longs after they've already been, building that long position, okay? The leveraged money, that would be the speculators like hedge funds and futures funds, they're short, but they reduced their short position down to a net 166,000. That is the smallest short position they have had on in 7 weeks, okay? And here's an interesting one, which I have yet to understand this group. These are the small specs, the non-reporting positions. These are like little players in the market. They increased their net short position to 52,000 contracts. That is their biggest net short position in 7 weeks. So these guys have not been in the rally at all, the little guys, all right? And you could say, well, hey, maybe the rally has a lot more to go because we got to suck in these little guys. Maybe not. I mean, the buying has really been all completely the asset managers. Nobody else is long. The Wall Street dealers are not long. The leveraged money is not long. We might have to suck those guys in. I don't know. But they're at the lowest short position right now in 7 weeks. The little guys are not long. It's all the institutional asset managers. And again, I'm just going to say it. I know you're probably sick of hearing me say it. But these guys have an historical track record that is not, enviable. I mean, I gave you the example that John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, turned himself into a billionaire by coming up with the genius idea that since the pros can't beat the market averages, let me just create an instrument that tracks the averages, all right? Index investing. So there you go. Anyway, so that's how it broke down. I will absolutely be getting into more detail in the report, which I will be writing this weekend, MMT Trader Report. If you don't have your 30-day free trial, please go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. It's right there on the homepage. It says get the 30-day free trial, or you could click on the tab that says products, and there's a link there that says get the 30-day free trial. In addition, all my courses are there. If you go to my website and you click on the tab that says courses, I have the Forex course. I have the Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement course. I have the MMT value stock selection course, and I have the 3-course bundle. All of those things sold together for a very good price. All right. The final thought here, the AAII Weekly Sentiment Survey, that is the American Association of Individual Investors. They have the weekly sentiment survey that comes out on Wednesday. That showed bullish sentiment increased by about 6% to 38.5%, which is the historical average. Okay. Neutral sentiment, I believe that I'm not sure what happened there. I don't remember. And bearish sentiment came down. But again, that will all be in the report. I put that in the report and I go over it. In addition, some other sentiment indicators, put call ratio, whatever. That's how it breaks down. Dow up for the 11th day in a row, not by much, 11 points. Most other markets throughout the world were negative today. Gold had another big day. Dollar was weak. And, have a nice weekend. We'll see what happens next week. And again, get the 30-day free trial to MMT Trader. Go to pitbulleconomics.com. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.